Hey, Mr. Man. Wash those clothes, because I'll be needing them tomorrow.
Wait a minute. What do you do? Huh? Are you mad? Something they worry you for head?
Don't insult me.
I will insult you. Who you be? I will put the salt for your body, not go do anything. What kind of nonsense be this one? You carry clothes when you don't wear the thing where they smell catchy. Carry and put from my mouth. I be your Pikin. I be your housemaid. Why you go give me clothes?
Wash them when you're done barking like a dog. Yeah.
Me? Mm-hmm. You dey craze for head.
You're crazy.
Makachine Kenam, you dey craze for head. You dey craze for your head. I be your boy. Oh, you enter house where they paint white. You come here, come they mess around. Like say your papa feel build this kind place.
Hey! Don't insult my father. Because you don't know him. Don't insult him.
Who be your papa when no be bingo? Who be your papa if your papa get sense? You no go born nonsense girl like you when no get respect. If your papa na man enough, you go born somebody where be say she get black head and then cool head go there inside. Get normal eye. He born parrot. Bonnie quick. Roll abajo ke beni leha. You come here, come command your papa.
Shut up, you're just naive.
See nonsense. See Pantua Bobia. See Pantua Bobia.
Give it to me. Do you realize you're messing with my own pious?
Me?
Yes.
Mess. If I mess, you no go stand me. I never mess in the talk. If I make mess, I'm gonna get subu go te family. You don't get respect. Your papa the contribute man. Your papa na contribution of man. When you go come person house, you don't know who I be. You can't carry clothes when you wear come pump for my face, make I help you wash them. I go wash you come out for this company. Until
you're done barking like a dog that you are, don't wash them clean. Then you see the other side of fresh. Yes.
Which other side you go shave?
Yes, you will see it.
Stop it. Hey, what is going on out here? Pious. Do you understand that you have to do laundries?
Yes, ma'am.
Doing laundries is a part of your chores in this house.
Please remind him.
Do you understand that? Why? Why do you make us talk all the time? Can't you just do your job?
Yes, ma'am.
Take responsibilities for once in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, pick it up! Now! Pick it! And you know what? I'm gonna extend your punishment for 2 more months. Foolish coward. Pick it real fast.
Oh, finally you picked them?
Slow B. Move it.
You guys need to warn this guy. Because he's biting more than he can chew, and I'm going to deal with you, Pious, because you're messing with the wrong person.
It's okay.
I am fresh. Where's Derek?
It's okay. It's okay. What did you use to prepare the food?
Small madam, I swear now the normal ingredients when they cook, then they cook.
Normal ingredients, and he's been to the restroom up to 4 times?
Yes, madam.
What are the ingredients you used?
Madam, now pepper, onions. I can't add them 7 Maggi. The thing no contest out well. I can't add them 3, making it 10.
What? 10 Maggi in one food?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
does that? Oh my God, Karen, you will kill me. Oh Lord.
You said how many Maggi?
10 oh.
Now you cause some now. Why you go put 10 Maggi? The food no balance. 10 Maggi? Now you cause some now. 10 Maggi, what you go do? This kind food now 15 pieces of Maggi for food inside. The thing go balance. She been a balance diet to do. Did you put curry? You see him now. You see him now. What of Chang? Moringa pan. Water leaf, you don't put any vegetable. And now you cause what of ehuru? Oh, kacha bulano. Now you cause everything. If say you put ehuru, the ehuru go make a yani chayote. Ehuru. Na menu ela. Ebe. Heat ambola the maka AC the on. You better put it off mama go chai. Hope your hands is clean and well.
Would you get out of here?
On them. Hey. Oh. Ndon namdo. Like that.
Do you want us to take you to the hospital?
I'm gonna be fine.
Madam, I suggest that we go to town for ya mommy.
What did I tell you? I said get out.
Oh. Hey.
Are you okay?
Madam, like I said before, as she used them Maggie, and the thing no do, like I said, balance diet supposed to take 15. The remaining 5 can sharia open and make it become like chocolate. Oh, abara get me again ngoyango. You want likam ngoyango mogera ya kanzu. Which one you want? Because this is where they do you. Very soon uba placenta ga wash.
I said get out of here! Get out!
Yes, ma'am.
What's wrong with these people here?
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna be fine.
So we just happy. What happened?
Why are they inside though?
Eh?
You know they hear waiting they happen.
Waiting to happen.
All this water when they come down from pipe. Now it is here now for waiting.
Yeah.
That fine yellow boy where fine small madam come. Since where the boy come inside, can't chop that food where Carol eat finish. Now so toilet. You don't visit toilet more than 10 times.
Who do?
You know, I enter inside now the last one. Now you go flock at a foam. Whoa, say hey, crusade abakola. Carol go keep us no. Carol go keep us. Which kind of food be that?
That thing we see no be Carol do amu.
Huh?
Na me do am. Na when I see say Carol don dey cook in food, now I go put am nyo. Or no prepare come to you.
Wait, you put area on you?
Na.
What did he do you?
If you see the kind slap where that boy make Madam Pikin slap me today, he slapped me finish. Even now star now they see my eyes. Since I sit down for a year, my ears still they do me wuru.
Wait, small madam slap you?
If you see slap
because of this one,
I rotate 3 times before I realize where I dey.
What did that happen, Sef? Oga go beat us because of woman. Small madam kwan Kenya, makano she alabeke a lot because she come back from Obodo Igbo. She go come slap.
Okay, madam, which hospital now they go? Are you in labor, Oga?
Is that your problem? Come on, would you open the gate? It's okay. I hope you're able to go to the hospital. This is ridiculous. Oh, God.
Oga, madam, why the nurse they leak? How many months pregnant in carry?
If you ask me that question again, I'ma strangle you to death. Get back to your duty.
Now what if I'm not in get? You see, next time when go come here, don't what happen now in a small case. You can get ready on the showroom next time when go come here. Okay, be make game amora. Nah.
Why did my Paula do man in level? She don't come out.
She don't go.
Hey, babe.
She don't go.
Na me it was science and wonder. It was science and wonder.
You will not understand.
I just stayed there, the peep. Is that somewhere, Madi? Ojo Chiak, Ojo Tak, cover the nyash. Take this one, carry the placenta. Very soon. The next one, you come here.
Pampas, okay.